You know, I feel like this is sort of, it's not incoherent, it's just this disparate chunk of relevance that I haven't been able to articulate and to sort of articulate in a sort of wholesome fullness with fluency. But if you get it, you get it. If you don't, we have to look at, now we understand that sex is a biological predisposition and gender is an identification definition. One's based on categories, other is based on meaning. We have to look at 4 categories. Biology. Biology deals with the study of organisms. We have to look like anatomy. Anatomy deals with the structure of an organism, right? And then we have to look at physiology. Physiology deals with the function of an organism.